Good day, ALS implementers. Welcome to our webinar 3. I am LEVI M. CORONEL, Education Program Supervisor from the Division of Iligan City. This time we will discuss about 4A's cycle of experiential learning. To some of you, 4A's is not new, but for our new ALS implementers and IMs, this is something new which is very important for you to learn. For our DALCs and MTs, what will be shared today is something that will enhance your understanding of 4A's. So, for our session objectives, all of you ALS implementers are expected to describe the 4A cycle of experiential learning, determine activities that can be facilitated in each of the 4A cycle, and the third, reflect on the importance of processing adult learning through 4A's as strategy in teaching. Our topic has connection with what we talk or discussed about IPCRF and MOVs as the Daily Lesson Log or DLL, the Detailed Lesson Plan or DLP, the Weekly Home Learning Plan WHLP, or the Weekly Lesson Log WLL, need to be designed following 4A's. Our basis for crafting a lesson plan following 4A's is stipulated in DepEd Order number 42, Series of 2016, the Policy Guidelines on Daily Lesson Preparation for the K-12 Basic Education Program. From this DepEd Order, our template for Alternative Learning System WLL, DLL, DLP is designed. The template indicates this procedure. So this is now our ALS weekly lesson log. For A, springboard or motivation. B, activity. C, analysis. D, discussing new concepts and practicing new skills. That will be your sub-activity 1 for analysis. E, discussing new concepts and practicing new skills. That will be your sub-activity 2. F is abstraction. G is application. H is valuing. I is evaluation. And J is agreement. Please focus on boxes or label highlighted in red. You will find the 4A cycle, which is found in our DLL, DLP, WLL for Alternative Learning System. So there you are with B, activity, C, analysis, F is abstraction, and G is application. So what are these 4A's of adult learning? The first A is activity, which focuses on the learning experience of our learners, and that will be stage 1. Second A is analysis. This is all about linking new knowledge and skills to existing experience. That's stage 2. The third A is abstraction. That's demonstrating or generalizing new skills. That's stage 3. And the fourth A is application. This is the practical application of new knowledge and skills. That's stage 4. And this application connects to new activity, which is giving opportunity to our adult learners in making or creating new learning experience. That's stage 5. So what shall we do with these stages? For stage 1 activity, this activity needs to focus on activating prior knowledge or connecting to the experience of our learners. This describes the structural experiences designed to engage the learner in activity dealing with the concepts to be learned. The experiences may be direct or vicarious case analysis, or questionnaires to be answered, or simulation exercises, or personal disclosure, or sessions. For stage 2 analysis, that's reflective feedback. This describes the process of inquiry into the results of the activity. This includes what questions are to be raised, what data will surface, how will personal insights be evoked and processed or discussed. For stage 3, that's abstraction, this is now integration. This describes the generalization that will or can be derived from the activity and analysis. In this portion, theory, inputs, lecturettes, or other activities may be included to explain or recapitulate the various concepts covered in the learning episode. For stage 4, that's application. So that's all about practical synthesis. This provides activities which will enable learners to transfer concepts learned to real-life situations, provides mechanisms by which learner is able to evaluate his or her attainment of the instrumental, that's the learning content, and the terminal, that's the behavior objectives. This may include the following: action plans, assignments, evaluation, activities or instruments to check understanding of or commitment to the learning outcomes. Now, with our ALS adult learners, we do not need to act as a teacher who are the ones with knowledge and expertise in a particular field. We are facilitators who build on the knowledge base of the group of students to find the answers to the questions. So, don't be a teacher, be a facilitator. With that, I say thank you.